Class 9th, number system. The topic is laws of exponents of real numbers. We have already studied about laws in 8th class also. Here we will study the laws of exponents for the real number. So the first law is called the product law. Let us understand this product law. According to this product law of exponent, when multiplying two numbers that have the same base, then we can add the exponent. Now see here this exponent has the same base a. So if base are same, the power are different, the power gets added and the base remains only 1. So a to the power m into a to the power n is equal to a plus m plus n, where m and n are the natural numbers. Hence, the base should be same in both the quantities. This point to be remembered for applying the product law. So, let us see one example. See here the 2 to the power 3, 2 to the power 4, the base are same, that is 2, and the powers are different. So what will we do? We will be adding up the power. 3 plus 4, 7. So according to the law, it will become 2 to the power 7. We can also see another example, minus 6 to the power 3 into minus 6 to the power 2. So here the base are same, minus 6 and power are different. So base will remain same and the power gets added, that is 3 plus 2. So minus 6 to the power 5 will be the final answer. Let us see the next law, that is also called the quotient law. According to the quotient law of exponent, we can divide two numbers with the same base by subtracting the exponents. In order to divide two exponents that have the same base, subtract the power in the denominator from the power in the numerator. Like in the previous law, the bases are same. Here also the base are same, but what is the difference? Here, this is the difference. Here they are in the division. In the previous law, they are in the multiplication. So whenever they are in the division and base are same and powers are different, so what we have to do? We have to subtract the denominator from the numerator. This is point to be noted. The denominator to be subtracted from the denominator. So the law becomes a to the power m divided by a to the power n is equal to a to the power m minus n. Let us see some example. Here we have 2 to the power 5 divided by 2 to the power 3. So we can clearly see that this 2 and this 2, the base are same and this is a quotient of division. So we will subtract the power. So 5 minus 3 is 2. So answer will finally become 2 to the power 2. Another example, p to the power 6 divided by p to the power 2. The base are same. So power gets subtracted. So 6 minus 2, 4. So p to the power 6 minus 2. The answer is p to the power 4. Next law is also called a power law. According to the power law of exponents, if a number raise a power to a power, just multiply the exponent. See here, a to the power m and whole to the power n. So as per this law, we have to just multiply the powers. That is a to the power m into n. See the example. Here 5 to the power 3 and whole raised to the power 2. So what we will do, we will just multiply this powers, that is 3 into 2. So ultimately the answer will be 5 to the power 6. Next is power of products. The power of product will state that if two numbers are in products and they are raised to the power a single power m, then this power can become the power of separately of a and b. Here a to the power ab to the power m will become a to the power n into b to the power n. See the example. Here 2 into 10 to the 2 into 5 to the power 10. So this power goes to becomes the power of 2. This power 10 becomes the power of 2, as well as the power 10 becomes the power of the 5. So 2 to the power 10 into 5 to the power 10. Now some important points which should remember on applying the exponent rule is that 1 to the power n is equal to a to the power minus n. That is, if the power in negative is when we take out the positive power exponent to the numerator, the sign of the power gets changed. Second is anything raised to the power 0 is equal to 1. For example, 5 to the power 0 is 1, 1000 to the power 0 is equal to 1, and the next is a to the power 1 is equal to a. That means, what does this mean? Anything raised to the power 1 is the same number. For example, if we can say 100 to the power 1, that is equal to 100, 5 to the power 1, that is equal to 1, that is equal to 5.